Hi, welcome to KD Custom Woodworking. I'm Kevin Dunphy. Now, what you see here is I have some kick plates. I'm here Sunday in the shop. You hear the furnace going, the music going. This is how I love to work. So, buckle up. Let's do it. Let's make something. Now, I want something different. And I'm not feeling it what I did. I'm kind of like, I don't like this. I don't like that. So I'm kind of looking here for the kick plate, but I don't like it. So I'm going to try and design something that's going to go. I got lots of these little strips. Now, what I'm thinking of is this, but I want to put a key in there, like a 45 or something with a strip like this. Now, let's see. Okay, I gotta go change the blade here. I got an old blade, a 32-ther, and at the same time, I'm gonna do a review. I got a great deal on this blade. All right, let's look at this bad boy. 12-inch 82s. It says it has 3 times the carbon life. Designed for improved finish. So it's a great blade in the sense that I don't like the 100 too much, because a lot of times you can't cross cut wood, and they really get, the teeth tend to be a little smaller, they get clogged up. I haven't had much luck with the 100-tooth. So let's go change this, because we got these moldings which are totally delicate, and for the delicate work, I'm going to try a little 7-inch down here. It's just sitting here by itself, not even doing anything. So, yeah, let's see how we make out. Okay, so I'm laying it out to visualize it, to get it clear in my head. I'm really liking it. You know, it's going to blend in. It's not going to be so loud. You'll definitely see the detail. And it's a plan. I got a crown molding that's going on top, and we'll have something like that detail. So I'm kind of stoked on this. And I'm on the top though. I gotta put a little cap though. I think I got an idea. Just like if you see here how it sits. And I'm gonna plane this on the CNC tomorrow. I was gonna use the joiner right here and go face down. I'm worried about it. What I'm worried about it really is, I've had it happen before, because I'm going cross grain with, I've had like chunks just go flying, and so I'm going to play it safe. I do have a CNC. If you don't, and you're doing it, and you had it right now, what would be ideal would be a small planer, like one of those little portable jobbers. The knives go faster, and on the cross grain, on that, I think they do an amazing job, and you wouldn't have to worry about it. You just have to have a feed, like a wood feeding it in behind and in front. So, you know, that's my thoughts. Anybody else, or you just take a belt sander. But I know I wouldn't end up thickness. That's it. So Sunday in the shop is over. Not bad. I got them all, I got everything ready, lined up. Here's some of the wood there for those little 45s. They're all lined up. I'm going to start cutting the little pieces over there. The little saw cutting this was really safe. I really liked it, cutting these little angles here, you know. They didn't go flying too much. What's happened, anybody who's ever had it happen, is it's like a chip, and then it cracks right on you. I guess it's a crappy vibration in the hand when it does happen. So a little saw is happening. You know, I wasn't sure I was going to use it in the shop, but I do like it for the delicate work. And what I like about this, I'll show you right here. When I go here, see, when I go here with the light, and you can see right there, it gives me a line. So I don't even have to put a pencil line to hit that 45, and I know I'd be there all day long. I'd be within a 30-second, which is more than acceptable. So once I was set up and had the pieces already, I tried to just barrel down and do it. I'm gluing each one. I'm using the pin nailer, like the review that we did. You know, it's kind of a boring thing to do because you got like 24 of them to do. And what I underestimated was, man, it was a lot of pieces. Kind of turned in, it was supposed to be simple and turned a little more detail than I thought. So I just kind of barreled down and just put them together. I'm chiseling the end there. One's a little longer, so just take a little off at the end and it may do. Here I have the CNC set up. I have it locked in. The CNC is fantastic. It's a shop bot, not super expensive, but it can do production and it can kick ass. I mean, this thing loves wood. So planing, the only thing, if I was to do it again, I used the figured part, the heart of the African mahogany. I wish I used some of the outside. It was a little more brittle. I had a couple of chips I wasn't happy about. I can easily hide them. They're down low. It's not that big of a deal. Just a nuisance more than anything. But it did a great job. It took about 5 minutes to do each one. I regret, with all the detail, maybe I should have just done it in 3D on the CNC. All right, so I've started not installing yet, but getting them all lined up. I got a cap on these. The cap looks pretty good. I'm very happy with it. So what I'll do is I'll glue it, go here with my 16 gauge. I'll do that on Monday. Today's Friday for me. And here's the molding that I made. I went on the edge. I wanted something delicate. I want like a chunk there that would blend in with the molding, but you can't do returns or 45s on that because of the molding sitting on top. So, bit of work, I won't lie, and I'll show the finishing next week. All right. So please subscribe to Katie Custom Woodworking. Once a week now, we're up to the videos. I'm going to try and do 2. Please subscribe. I'm almost at the magic 1,000. That means everybody and their mother loves this channel, I think. Anyways, thank you for watching, and come again.